The best handheld steam cleaners for household chores. Steam works excellently in cleaning, polishing, and removing grime and dirt from various surfaces and corners. The best handheld steamer cleaner is versatile and lets you focus on different surfaces, making cleaning sofas, floors, walls, and car interiors more convenient. Modern steamers have several additional features and accessories that can leave you puzzled when choosing one. To help you pick the best among the many, we bring you some popular handheld steam cleaners with their features in this video. Number 1. Best Quick Heating. Black+Decker 7-in-1 Steam Mop. The Black+Decker 7-in-1 Steam Mop takes all the hassle out of cleaning your floors. This powerful mop works on all hard floor surfaces and other surfaces, and can be used to mop, steam, sanitize, scrub, and dry your floors. The steam heats up in 20 seconds for convenience and provides continuous flow. Specification. Dimension: 12 by 25 by 7 inches. Weight: 6 pounds. Tank capacity: NA. Product dimensions: 12 by 7 and 25-inch item weight. 6 pounds. Wattage: 1300 watts. What we like: helps clean hard-to-reach areas. Convertible mop-to-handle design. Easy to use. Lightweight design. What we don't like: the water tank may be smaller than expected. May be challenging to clean tough stains. Number 2. Best Efficient. Costway 2000W Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. The Costway Multipurpose Steam Cleaner is a powerful and efficient steam cleaner that can be used for various cleaning applications. It features a high-powered 2000-watt motor and a large-capacity water tank, allowing you to clean for longer without having to refill the tank. It also features a wide range of accessories, including 2 extension tubes, an ironing brush, a glass brush, a measuring cup, and more. Specifications. Dimension: 20.4 by 12.4 and 11.9 inch. Weight: 12.9 pounds. Tank capacity: 1,500 milliliters. Item weight: 13.02 pounds. Product dimensions: 5 by 11 and 47 inches. Color: red. Wattage: 2000 watts. What we like: child lock system, auto power off, lightweight and easy to maneuver. Quick heat up time. What we don't like: the hose might be shorter than expected, may be loud when in use. Number 3. Best Multifunctional. Keiki Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner. These handheld steam cleaner by Keiki has a lightweight body to let you carry it easily from one place to another. Once connected to the power supply, the steam cleaner for blinds, floors, and more gets ready in 3 minutes and emits uninterrupted powerful steam for up to 20 minutes. Further, it is equipped with a long cord measuring 9.8 feet for convenient indoor and outdoor use. Specification. Dimension: 10.47 by 9.69 and 6.38 inches. Weight: 4.22 pounds. Tank capacity: 400 milliliters. Item weight: 3.97 pounds. Product dimensions: 15.29 by 24 and 29 inches. Color: blue. Wattage: 1050 watts. What we like: multifunctional, 9-piece accessory set, long spray nozzle, chemical-free cleaning, large capacity, indicator light. What we don't like: the plastic tank might be brittle. Number 4. Best Lightweight. McCulloch MC1230 Handheld Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch Handheld Steam Cleaning Machine is designed for deep cleaning and eliminating grease and grime from a wide range of surfaces. The cleaner uses a heating time of just 3 minutes to deliver 10 minutes of continuous steam. The 15-foot-long power cord adds to its maneuverability and allows you to clean hard-to-reach places. Specification. Dimension: 10.7 by 5.13 and 7.95 inches. Weight: 3 pounds. Tank capacity: 180 milliliters. Product dimensions: 8 by 5.2 and 10.7 inches. Color: black. Item weight: 3 pounds. Wattage: 900 watts. What we like: multiple attachments, powerful jet nozzle, lightweight, cool touch design, heat indicator light, lockable trigger, storage bag. What we don't like: limited tank capacity. Number 5. Best Design. PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner. The PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner is a 10-in-1 powerful and efficient cleaning system designed to tackle tough messes. With its adjustable steam settings, you can easily tackle dirt and grime on most surfaces. The mop head enables you to get into tight corners, and the special scrubber brush attachment helps deep clean tough stains, making it the ideal steam cleaner for bathrooms. Specifications. Dimensions: 8.07 by 9.45 and 23.9 inches. Weight: 2.2 pounds. Tank capacity: 380 milliliters. Product dimensions: 8.07 by 9.45 and 23.94 inches. Color: white. Item weight: 2.2 pounds. What we like: safe for children and pets. Uses: only tap water. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Flexible hose. What we don't like: some may find the cord shorter than expected, maybe louder than expected. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.